Is living in Playa del Carmen expensive? Hi, it's Scott with American Realty here, and Playa is actually amazingly affordable. Whether you're a retired couple or a family or just yourself, living in Playa is actually a smart economic choice that can save you thousands upon thousands of dollars every year. What's the problem? Well, in the United States and Canada, the cost of living is getting more and more expensive every year. For instance, condos in Florida are now double the cost that they were in 2012. Check out the link below for the graph. Kind of makes Florida sound like not such a good retirement option anymore. The cost of living in New York and Los Angeles is higher than ever. As a result, many people have difficulty making ends meet, particularly on a retirement budget. Being stuck making a decision on which essential item to buy is not a very good deal to have. So what do you do about it? Well, Playa del Carmen, cost of living is really low. If you own a condo, your property taxes are around 1% or less. So a condo valued at about $175,000 would be less than $100 a year. In the US, that would be thousands upon thousands of dollars. Groceries are much more affordable here, up to 80% less. In Playa, utilities, cell phones are much more reasonable. Most people pay about $30 a month for 4G cell service, which is a healthy amount of data included. Water is around $15 a month. High-speed fiber optic internet is about $30 a month with a home phone. If you want to live in a place where you can have a good life with just a modest income, look no further than Playa del Carmen. Now that you know that Playa del Carmen has a low cost of living and a high quality of life, your decision to come here should be an easy one to make. We can give you all the information you need to get started. Prices, places, paperwork. Book a call with us and you're all set. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the button below to sign up for our newsletter. It's how everyone stays in touch with what's going on in Playa del Carmen.